Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken glove in slap battles. This unique glove offers distinct advantages in combat, making it a highly sought-after item. To unlock it, you must first achieve the Escape the Abyss badge by completing a special challenge. We will cover all the prerequisites and strategies to successfully add this formidable glove to your collection. To begin your quest, you will need two specific gloves, your own squid glove and a friend who possesses the fish glove. Once you have these, join a public server together. Your friend, equipped with the fish glove, needs to hit you while you are wearing your squid glove. This action is crucial as it initiates the next phase of your journey to obtain the Kraken glove. After being hit by the fish glove while wearing the squid glove, you will be teleported to a unique boss battle against the Kraken. This special event can be triggered once every 5 minutes. During the fight, your main objective is to skillfully dodge the Kraken's powerful tentacles while continuously slapping the boss. Successfully defeating the Kraken in this encounter will grant you the coveted Escape the Abyss badge. Once you earn the Escape the Abyss badge, the Kraken glove will be instantly unlocked and available for use. This glove excels in crowd control and offers a powerful ability. You can use its special power to gain extra slaps, particularly effective when facing multiple opponents. A great strategy is to combine a regular slap with the ability for a rapid two-hit combo, maximizing your damage output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.